Gloria Aguinaldo spends her Saturdays here at this farmer's market in Kinoule. It's just a few miles from Lower Puna area where her 10-acre farm was before molten lava from erupting Kilauea volcano completely buried it.
Hindi mo naman akalain na magaganon na. Pero sinasabi lang nila, pero nung pinatunayan ko na talaga doon nag-flow yung lava, nung nakita ko talagang naniwala na ako.
Wala lahat.
Wala, lahat-lahat.
Aguinaldo and her husband had been farming the land for over 40 years.
Yung parang river yung volcano. Yung parang hindi ko rin matanggap yun.
After some tears, Aguinaldo said she had to find a way to continue what she knew how to do and earn a living again.
Basta nag-order lang ako sa mga kaibigan ko, gano'n.
Tapos kaya nagtitinda?
Yeah, ako na ang nagtitinda. At least merong konti.
According to preliminary numbers released, the Puna district had about $20 million in farm damage, with more than 500 acres of farmland destroyed. Hawaii Mayor Harry Kim tells BA the county is working with state and federal governments to develop programs like land exchange.
A lot of them will make a decision not to go back because there's nothing there. They can't farm on it anymore. When using the Hawaiian word, because that's what they call it, that pahoehoe, it's like concrete. And it's 10, 20, 30 feet deep of concrete.
The Gakulas who own this Filipino store are thankful the lava flow stayed miles away from them. But they were not spared. Loss of tourism when cruise ships stayed away for a couple of weeks affected their taxi business. But despite financial challenges, Mitch Gakula said they kept their doors open, especially because it is helping other kababayans.
They go do their jobs, whatever they do, and they garden on the side to make extra money, you know. So they bring it here, and then we sell it for them.
Aguinaldo, meanwhile, hopes she could go back soon to planting instead of selling these. U.S. Senator Mazie Hirono announced recently that $483,000 in federal funds will soon be available for affected Puna farmers. Lena Amtin Thornhill, ABS-CBN News, Hilo, Hawaii.